you notice on these, they end up having the shaft broken on these, and this plastic part is meant to break off. So this is about 10 years in. The replacement didn't look exactly like it, but it worked like a champ. When we finish up tightening up, I usually like to do close to quarter turn to finish that up. So the replacement on this was just one bolt counterclockwise, and it is one bolt inside here that goes in. So not too bad, real quick fix.